this site-specific installation, and it's called Connection of Three Spaces, because the actual piece, the actual sculpture, happens not in one room, but in 3 rooms. This is space number A, and this light wall represents a diminished version of the real wall of the hall. And then we have the skirting here. If we follow the skirting, and this construction represents the thickness of the wall of room number one, as it fell down, dividing the space in 2. Well, the wall that we are looking at now, it is a smaller version of the wall, the light wall of space number 1. It is as if the wall is dematerializing itself into just a light surface. It does have a relationship to my work in film, because film is also about light. And but what happens is also my the way I construct my films is also about dematerialization of the story of cinema. So I do the same thing with sculpture. I kind of deconstruct the sculpture into 3 different segments. It does have a narrative, and in a way it has the skirting on the floor is like the storyline. If you follow that line, you do get the story of the sculpture. It does have a narrative. It's very interesting that you spotted it. Yeah, it does have. It's actually, we could say, it's a sculpture with a narrative, but a space narrative. It's not a story, but it's a narrative of the space.